So this thing is so cool. And like I said, it is just a DAC, which means that it converts digital information to analog information. But the way that this does that type of conversion is probably one of the best experiences I've heard on headphones. I'm not lying when I say that, because I have been around many, many sophisticated audio equipment in my days as a professional and also as an educator. And I'm exposed to a lot of products all the time. I actually participate in an entire advisory group to manufacturers. So needless to say is that I get a chance to explore a lot of gear. And when I'm telling you that listening to something like this versus my Antelope audio interfaces, which are fantastic. I mean, I'm getting literally 130 dB of conversion from those. But the Hugo, the way that it converts does something different than anything else. It's because there is no DAC chip. So a chip that would do the DAC conversion, that's kind of weird, because you would think, you're like, wait, integrated circuits are kind of a part of all of computer electronic technology, and you'd be right. But there's also another type of way to do a similar job. And we see it in a lot of military applications, and it's called an FPGA. And so an FPGA is basically similar to an integrated chip, but it basically is programmed to do one thing. And Rob Watts, who is the designer of the FPGA, is responsible for making this thing do its magic. And one benefit from doing it through this kind of technology